Everybody stand. It's nice to see you, everyone.
It's nice to see you, Sir Mike.
Alright, let's have our prayer first. Lord God, thank you very much for all the blessings. Thank you for definitely natin yung song. Kami bless kami right now. Kaya especially natin na. Pray Lord. Please us to pray. Take your seat.
Thank you, Sir Mike.
Right. Let's check that handouts first. Say here if you're present. Thank you. Now, I have here the following words with you. I want you to read the words after me. Say vain.
Vain.
Resemblance.
Resemblance.
Figure.
Figure.
Pattern.
Pattern.
Famous.
Famous.
I want you to spell out the word first. Vain. Spell out.
V-A-I-N.
Very
Vain.
good. Second word, resemblance.
R-E-S-E-M-B-L-A-N-C-E. Resemblance.
Next, figure.
F-I-G-U-R-E. Figure.
Famous. Pattern.
P-A-T-T-E-R-N. Pattern.
And the last one, famous.
F-A-M-O-U-S. Famous.
Right, thank you very much. Those were the words for today. And you're going to encounter those words in our discussion. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
All right. Now, before we start with our lesson, I want you to familiarize of the following letters. S-T-A-R. Starting word with the first letter, S. Sit attentively and listen when someone is speaking or talking. That's letter. Correct. Next, letter T. Treat everyone with respect and kindness. That's letter. Letter T. Next, always follow instructions, complete tasks on time, and participate actively. That is letter Letter A. Last one. What letter is this? R. R is you're going to raise your hand before speaking to avoid creating noise. Okay? S-T-A-R, and it reads star. So I want you to become a star. Say, I want to become a star.
I want to become a star.
Again, I want to become a star.
I want to become a
Do
star.
you want to become a star? Yes, of course. We all want to become a star. Do you want to become a star? Yes, of course. Sino hindi sa kung gusto? Diba? We want to become a star. Now, before we proceed with our lesson, let's see if you can still recall and remember what we have discussed last meeting. Can you still recall and remember what we have discussed last meeting?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
We will see. Alright? Now, I want you to arrange the letters on the board. I have here the whiteboard marker. Okay? These are the phrases. I want you to arrange this phrase to form words. You can do that for me. You can do that for me? Yes, please. This was based on our previous discussion. Let us see if you can still recall and remember our previous lesson. Let's give Chandria time. Alright. Thank you, Chandria. Let's check if the answer of Chandria is correct. Do you think the answer of Chandria is correct? Who
Yes.
agrees with Chandria? Wow. So I think everybody agrees with Chandria. Let's see. And ta-da! Chandria is correct. Can you give a round of applause to Chandria? Clap your hands to Chandria. These jumbled phrases are formed to become faces of the moon. And faces of the moon was our previous lesson and discussion. Now, here's my question. Can you give me the different lunar phases or the 8 phases of the moon? Yes, please. That's quarter moon, yes. Full moon. The first quarter moon, correct? New moon. Waxing crescent. Waning crescent. And waxing gibbous. Very good. Give a round of applause to yourself. Those answers are correct. The new moon, waxing crescent, third quarter, or we call that as last quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, first quarter, and waning crescent moon. Well done. Ganito duman, you know. Very good. It seems that you're learning with me in our lesson, and that is a good sign. Nice one. Now, here's my question for Ryan. Have you seen Mr. Moon last night?
Yes.
Nakita ninyo si Mr. Moon? Sino nakakita kay Mr. Moon? Oh, ang iba nakakita, ang iba wala. Okay, so majority of you have seen Mr. Moon last night. Now, if you have seen Mr. Moon last night, what was the face of the moon last night? Ano? Okay, the waning crescent siya. Ano ang itsura sa waning crescent? Daw may small nga light. Chandriya is correct. Kung nakita ninyo kagabi, if you try to recall and see what face of the moon last night, it is what? A waning crescent. Very good. And here's the trivia. 3 nights after, on 29 or 30, man-new moon na ta. Take note of that. Alatawon nyo ha. So meaning, kung mag-new moon, there is no light in the moon. So alatawon na ito na if correct ang kinatag sa ito sa pag-asa ng astronomers. Okay? Take note of that. Moving on. I have a question for you, Orion. Do you know the song or are you familiar with the song Twinkle Twinkle Little Star?
Yes.
Sure ka mo? Sino nakabalo sina? Ay sa kamagde? Oh, syempre, tana, no? Now, if you knew the song, I want you to please stand up and we're going to sing with me the song entitled Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Are you ready?
Yes.
Right? Sing with me. Ready?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Hi, little movers. Can
Hello,
you turn your
everyone.
hands into twinkling little
Twinkling
stars
little
and
stars.
follow what Josh does? Everybody ready?
Ready? Show me some hands like a star.
Twinkle,
I want you to follow.
how I wonder
What you are.
what
So high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Turn around, Ryan, turn around. Follow them.
Twinkle,
Twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
now follow Declan.
Alright, follow. I want the hand gestures.
Twinkle, twinkle,
I want you to speak verbally.
how
Do the hand gestures.
what you are.
And follow the leader.
World so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Yay! Did you enjoy the song?
Yes.
Okay, take your seat. Who enjoyed the song? Are you sure? Mian ka mo. Kung kailangan ka na mismo, diba sabay ko, no? Using your hand signals and you follow verbally. Diba? Sige. Now, here's the question. What is the title of the song?
Twinkle.
Yes? I want a hand. Yes, please. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Do you find nice to watch stars at night?
Yes.
Hmm? Yes. What about you? Yes. What about you?
Yes.
Kamian naman, may stars sa night. Okay. Now, question. Where can we see stars? Where? In the sky. Correct. Duduwa pa sa duta, sir. You know, siyempre sa sky. We see stars in the sky. Can we see stars during daytime? Yes. No. Do you know the reason why? Kabalo ka mo? Because the light of the sun overwhelms the star. So, buot silingon sa nagsanag ang light ng sun, syempre, kag gina-overwhelm niya o ginatakpan niya ang kasanag sa bituon. That means, ang sun is the brightest star and it is also known as the biggest star. Kaya naka-overwhelm niya ang gamay nga star. Do you agree with me? Yes, of course. When can we see stars? When? Oh, yes, please. Okay, nakakita-kita mo ng star during nighttime. May nakakita sa inyo daytime? Wala. Kasi syempre may bright light sa sun. Correct? Now, I want you to observe the picture. Observe the picture. I'm going to ask you, what are they doing in the picture? Ha? Ano kinubra nila sa picture? What are they doing? Yes, please. Ano? Go watching in the sky sila? Yes, watching the stars in the sky, correct? What else? They actually do stargazing. Are you familiar with stargazing? Actually, class, ang college kami, nag-stargazing kami. Okay? Using our naked eye, kami ginagamit kami nga vernacular para makita namin kung anong formations ang stars or may patterns of stars sa sky. Okay? Ano nyo na, may experience nyo na. Okay? Have you ever tried stargazing? Naka-stargazing ka? Sino naka-stargazing? Ah, Nessa? Yes, naka-stargazing ka. Kita mo? Yes. So, anong experience mo? Who's with you? Sino pod mo? Mike. Okay, brother. Sige. Nag-enjoy ka man. Did you enjoy? Alright? Now, do you find it nice to look into the bright night sky? Ano ka magulog?
Yes.
Oh, nga Yes. Oh, beautiful ang sky. Relaxing ko pa namin sa iyan, but relaxing. Pakita siya sa stars sa sky. Look how relaxing, no? Nice word. The air is so cool. Kag shining, syempre may stars. Ga-shine siya, no? Correct. Ano pa get? May other answers pa? Thank you very much for your responses. All your answers are correct. Okay, another question. Who do you think created those bright stars? Sino nag-create? Sige, be. Sino makasabat sa akin? Who created that? Yes, please. Huh? It was God. It's God who created the bright stars. So we have to appreciate God. Do you appreciate God?
Yes.
Do you love God?
Yes.
Okay, ang greatest love, class, is sa God. We have to love God. Talagang natin ng Diyos because He created heaven and earth. He created all the things around us. The sun, the moon, the stars, and the sky. So, we have to love God. You love God?
Yes.
Of course. Next. Alright. Now, I want you to congratulate yourselves. Congratulations and thank you that you have appreciated God's creation. Na-appreciate naman ang in-create ni God, no? Siyempre, ganamian, makukuha sa night sky na may stars. Now, with that answers, I want you to have an OK clap. I want you to perform an OK clap. Do you know an OK clap?
Yes.
Na-learn niyo naman sa unang OK clap. Now, please give OK clap to yourself. Ready? Start! Wow! Nice one! Clap your hands! Okay, that is an OK clap. Very good, Senior Ryan. How? Now, let's proceed. Observe the picture. What can you say in the picture?
Star.
Yes? Star. Nakita makita mo star ka na, may pa, no? Eh, siyempre, ka muna mo, no? Kita yung star, wala niya. Correct? Now, in your mathematics, sino favorite sa subject ng math? Alright. Alright, ganda mo ba? In your mathematics, okay, did you learn this solid figure? Ano yung solid figure? This one is a star. Right? Yes. Correct. Ano type ng polygon siya?
Decagon.
Decagon. Nga gitawag siya decagon. Ha? How many sides are there in the figure? Who can count? Sino makakatlo, di ba? Oh, yes, sorry. Yes, please. Nika. How many sides are there in the figure? Let's count. Let's go back and count. Okay? Go to the board. Show us your hand in the screen and count. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many sides does the figure have? How many sides? 10 sides. Okay? That figure is a star, which is what we call, what type of polygon? Decagon. And there are 10 sides. Okay, can you count in your hands? 10 sides. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So a star has 10 sides. Correct? Now, here's a question. During what season do we see many stars hanging? Mga ba hanging ginapakabit natin? Ha? Ano ang season? Ano makita? Yes, Andrea? During Christmas, kung Pasko. Sinyo, gapakabit makamo during Pasko? Sino gapakabit? Nasa kamot? Correct! Nagapakabit kita, no? Kita ng mga Kristiyano, nagapakabit kita. We are hanging stars sa ating home. Correct? During Christmas. This one is an example of parol or star. Now, speaking of Christmas, why do we celebrate Christmas? Ha? Why do we celebrate Christmas? Yes? Please? Ha? Okay, the born si Jesus during Christmas. Do you believe, Mikaela? Kapati ka man, Mikaela? Yan si Jesus. Correct. For us Christians, Jesus was born during Christmas. This is the birth of Jesus. Okay? Now, the 3 wise men visited Jesus when he was born. What was their guide? Anong guide nila? Yes? The star. That is correct. Ang muna yung ilan na mo? Giya or guide. Now, in our science lesson, a star is a huge glowing ball of hot gas, mainly hydrogen and helium, and the temperature is so high in its core that nuclear fusion occurs, producing energy. So, nagaling, no? Huge glowing ball and star. Take note of that. Now, did you know that the sun is the nearest star to Earth? Yes. The sun is the nearest star to Earth. Now, I want you to look at the picture. What can you say in the picture? Ha? Ano kita sa picture? Ano ba siya? Okay. Wow, that's constellation. Okay, advance yan, Andrea. Nakabasa niya siguro sa iyang libro. This one is the formation of stars. Yes, is there a formation of star? Yes, of course there is. Now, do you know what do we call the formation of stars? Ano tawag sa formation of stars? Yes, Andrew. We call that one as constellation. Very good. Now, speaking of constellation, constellation is defined as the group of stars that form clear patterns in the sky. Okay? So, constellations form patterns in the sky. Ang mga stars na siya, ha? Now, according to International Astronomical Union, that's IAU, International Astronomical Union, they made a list, take note of this, of modern constellations. There were, according to them, 88 modern constellations that were discovered by ancient Greeks. Pila? How many? 88. Kabalo ba na kamo? Anong nakita nila? Nga mga patterns dira? These saw patterns of animals. Just like ang lion, nakita niya. Diba? Oh, mythical heroes, nakita na nila. Diba? Makikita nila, di Medusa, nakita kanila. Kag ma-learn na pagkikaroon. Gods and other objects, just like ang timbangan, ang libra, no? So, dila nila ginabasi ang 88 modern constellations. Right? Now, we have many constellations actually, and the stars. But first, we're going to focus on the known constellations. Pag mga known, mga familiar lang constellations. At ang iban, we're going to tackle that next meeting. Today, we're going to have 5 known or popular constellations. Lima lang yun. How many? 5. Alright. Now, I have here an activity with you. You're going to paste the name of constellations based on the given pictures. And I have this one. We're going to paste this one here. Okay. Please. Another one. This one also. Alright. Thank you. Also this one. Alright. This one. And what about the other? Thank you very much, Andre. This one. Alright. Now, I want you to discover this one. I have here the following words. Ursa Minor, Orion, Cassiopeia. You paste it there. Okay. The Ursa Major. Alright. Cassiopeia again. And the Cepheus. Read it again.
Orion, Ursa Minor, Ursa Major, Cassiopeia,
And Cepheus. I want 5 pupils to answer. Okay? Who can answer first? Yes, please. Go to the board and answer. Oh, who's the first? Yes. This one. Oh, go to the board. Don't worry kung sala ang answer ha. We're going to correct that. Okay? That's what we're going to discover if your answers are correct. Just place it there. Yes. Next, please. Yes, please. Get one, then paste it there. Alright. Next, please. Go. Take your seat. Wait for your turn. Yes, please. And that's Prince. Go, Prince. Alright. Okay, go. Thank you very much sa mga brave souls. Palapakan natin ang brave souls. And answer. Let's see later if your answers are correct. I'm not telling you now if your answers are correct. Let's go back later. Alright? Now, these are some known constellations and stars. Alright? Now, the Ursa Major, it resembles a big bear, or we call that as Great Bear, and it's the 3rd largest constellation. It includes Big Dipper. Okay? Let's see later. Din tayo, see? Big Bear. Walang kaunta. Din si Big Bear. Dalawang tabi. The Ursa Major. Is the answer, who answered this one? Correct or not? Very good. Panapakan natin si Chandler. Thank you. Next up is the Ursa Minor. It is the little bear, or other term for that is the Little Dipper. Take note, tandaan nyo niya, the most famous star in Ursa Minor is Polaris. Nakabati na ka muna? Nakabati ka Polaris? Polaris actually is called the North Star. So kung nangalan sa tawag, si Polaris, buot silingon sina North Star. Okay? Sige, let's check. Using this picture, kung check ang answer. Polaris, dito kanina, si Ursa Minor. Is this correct? Yes or yes? Yes. Eh, nakita ko na, this answer is correct. Who answered this one? Very good. Palapakan natin, see? And that. Next, Cassiopeia. Andaan nyo gini ha? It consists of 5 stars. Cassiopeia consists of 5 stars. And the form siya letter W. Ng taon na sa picture, kung hindi ka form letter W, kaya muna sa si Cassiopeia. And always remember that Cassiopeia is the queen constellation. Meaning siya ang reyna sa constellation. Hindi siya. This one. Who answered this one? Sino ang answer ni? Chiron. Palapakan natin si Chiron. Nakita here in the form of W, that means 5 stars is Cassiopeia, the queen constellation. So meaning, kung nga lang si Cassiopeia, queen ka, no? Oh, pangalan mo sa uli, si Cassiopeia. Sabi mo nga, anak. Next, Cepheus. This is actually pronounced as Cepheus. Okay? It is the 27th largest constellation in the northern sky. And it is known as the king. So meaning, ang siya ang counterpart or ang asawa ni Cassiopeia. Sino ang asawa ni Cassiopeia? Si Cepheus. Okay? So si Cepheus class. Ika-27 niya constellation. Ano yung tsura ni Cepheus? Nanoblo ka namin. Hari-hari dyan, no? Appreciate nyo man, namin man. Yes, of course. Next, this one is, ipuulihin ko gini, Orion. Familiar, hindi? Siyempre, familiar because that is our class section. Kabalo bala ka mo. Ano po silingon sa Orion? Orion means hunter, kapang hunt, kapang tira, tirador. Gusto mo maging tirador, friends? Okay, tirador si Orion. So, kasi sa ulihin, nga nasang bata mo, si Orion. Diba? Namihan ka man Orion? Right? Next, this is Orion. Let's check kung check to si Orion. Pareho sa figure? Yes. This one is Orion. So all of your answers are correct. Clap your hands. Very good. No? So, meaning, sa ating mga lesson and discovery, na-learn nyo, na-discover ninyo. Next one. Now, here, group activity. Before going to our group activity, I want you to be mindful of the following. Okay? I want you to S. Anong S? Support each other's ideas and contributions. H. Help one another, cooperate, and foster respect to each member. Alright, I. Include everyone in the group and value each other's opinion. And never give up, even if the task is challenging. Kung minabati, kundi nga na-sense siya na, no? Tanda ka sa vocabulary. Letter E. Encourage yourselves and learn from both successes and setbacks. Ano answer mo yun na? Yes! Nakita niya, pag wala ko ganyan tapos, and pala taas na ayun na. Because, nakita niya ang pattern. Okay? I want you to shine like a star. Do you want to shine like a star?
Yes!
Say, I want to shine like a star. Go!
I want to shine like a star.
Say it again, I want to shine like a star.
I want to shine like a star.
So, Nina, remember to be a star. This time, I want you to shine like a star. Alright? Shine like a star. Everybody say, I shine like a star.
I shine like a star.
Alright. Now, this one is the rubrics. Dirita ka mong i-rate. Okay? Dirito yung basa yung rating nyo. Okay? Now, surprise ko sa inyo. Ding. Diba? Kapalaw ko mga rin eh. Alright, I have here activity sheets. Okay? Now, we're going to follow these groupings. Okay? You will serve as your group 1. This one is for group 1. Follow instruction. Group 2. Also, you're going to follow instruction. Group 3. Follow instruction. And do not forget to shine like a star. To what?
Shine like a star.
To what?
Shine like a star.
Shine like a star. Group 1, this is your work. Okay. Group 2, this is your work. And group 3. Follow instructions. You've already chosen your leader. Okay. Group 1 will stay here. Go. Stay here, Pastor. Help. Pastor, help. Group 2 will stay here. Help. Here. Group 3 here. Alright. Alright, listen. Let's do this. Let's do this in a quiet manner. 2 minutes. Even if 5 minutes. Yes, please. Okay, let's go. Gusto nyo, y'all? Go, go, go. Help one another. Quiet, quiet. There's more to go. To finish. Don't forget your English sheet. Okay, go back to your seats. For those who are finished, go back to your seats. Faster. Go back to your seats. Okay? I want you to perform. Perform. Thank you very much. 2 minutes lang hindi matapos nila, or? So, pwede man lang muna. Okay, para ma-expose sila. Group number 1, here. Nope. Okay. Dito. Stay there. Stay there. Go. Raise your hands. Basahan. Go. Start. Listen. Everybody listen. All right. Provided number. Okay, please answer. Go. Read your answer. Start. Listen, kamu group 2 and 3. Please listen. Okay. For number 1, Orion. What's the answer? Orion is letter E, the hunter. Number 2, Cassiopeia. What's your answer? Letter C. Cassiopeia is? Are you sure? Alright, let's answer. Number 1, Orion is letter E. It's okay, it's okay. Don't worry, we're going to correct the word. Number 1, Orion is the hunter. Number 2, Cassiopeia. Your answer is letter C. Okay, but it's letter A. Okay? Take note of that, ha? Cassiopeia is queen. Okay lang, don't worry. Next, number 3, Ursa Major. Ursa Major is? Ursa Major is letter D. Big Dipper. Number 4, Ursa Minor is letter B. Okay? Little Dipper and Cepheus is the king. Alright, you got? That's your score. 1 out of 4. It's okay. Still give them an effort. Clap. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay? Ready? Start. Effort clap. Ready? Start. Effort clap. Go. Alright. Thank you very much. Next. Okay. Second group. Alright. Complete the missing letters in blank to identify the name of the patterns. Can you see? Okay, go. Number 1, start.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is the report of Group 2. Complete the missing letters in blank to identify the name of sky patterns. Orion, the hunter, Cassiopeia, the queen, Cepheus, the king, Ursa Major, the Dipper, Ursa Minor, the little Dipper.
Alright, so let's check. Tika mo, please. Number 1, listen. Group 3, listen. Group 1, Orion, the hunter. Correct. This one is correct. Number 2, Cassiopeia, the queen, correct. 3, Cepheus, the king, constellation. Next is the Big Dipper is Ursa Major, correct you are. And the Little Dipper, Ursa Minor. Let's give them a round of applause. 5 out of 5 for group 2. Wala pa ka na ng group 2. Very good. Thank you, group 2. So our reporter, thank you. Group 3. Go, kaptan nila. Okay, first, number 1 Anay. Let's do it. Number 1 first. Ready? Start. Number 1. Go. You got number 1. Number 1. This one. Oh, number 1. What figure is this? What pattern of star? Yes. Say, what's that? What's your answer? It's Cassiopeia. Is this Cassiopeia? Yes, of course. Very good. Nice one. Stay there. Stay there. Number 2. We got number 2. This one. Number 2. What pattern of star is this? Orion. Is this Orion? Correct. Dito na yung mga alam. Next. Group number 3. Number 3 answer. Here. Number 3 is 10. Please stand. And answer. What's that? This one is Ursa Minor. Their answer is correct. That is Ursa Minor. Next, please, number 4. Number 4. Who got number 4? Who got number 4? Yes, this one. This one is, that one is Ursa Minor. This one is the opposite, Ursa Major. Correct you are. And last but not the least, what pattern of star and constellation is this? This one is the Ursa Major. Are you sure? Sure, come on. Where is Cepheus there? Huh? This is Cepheus? This is actually Cepheus. Okay? Alright? Oh, sige. Don't worry. Go forward, go back. Palapakan naman sila. Okay? Thank you very much. Now go back to your work. Go back to your seat. And let's do another word. Okay. Now, in your notebook, I want you to identify the words being described. Choose your answer on the box. Okay? Let's do it orally. Number 1. Let's check. The constellation in the northern sky named after the vain queen in Greek mythology. What's the answer? Correct. Cassiopeia. Number 2. Number 2. What constellation formed a Little Dipper? Ursa. Little Dipper. Ursa Minor. Little mo. Number 3. Are you listening? Are you following with me? What constellation named after the hunter in Greek mythology? Orion. Our class section, Orion. The hunter. Are, what do you call a group of stars that form a pattern in the night sky? Yes? Constellation. Very good. Constellation. And the last, we have, what constellation formed a Big Dipper? This one is Ursa Major. Okay? Very good. Now, moving on. Here's the question. Why constellations are important to human? Why do you think constellation is important? Nga importante, ne? Because what? Nga importante sa human ang constellation? Kaya para, yes, pwede makabulig sa ato, no? Kung di ito makadto, para useful as ang 3 wise men. Can you still recall ang barko ang ina? Pag-search nila kay Jesus, yung pasihan lang nila, no? Para useful na pala sa may magkaduan ka. Okay, may kagiya si mo. Para makita mo ang isa ka lugar. No? May ginabasihan ka nga, start mo muna ang ina mo sa iban ng mga navigators. Because constellations help humans when they navigate and also help astronomers to locate the stars. Pabalaan nila kung diin na yun ng stars, kung ano mga stars na, kung ano ang constellation. Di ba, nakakam up sila sa mga different constellations? Correct? Sa bando? Correct? Sa bando? Correct, di ba? Yes, correct sa bando. Diba? Now, here's another activity. I want you to visualize. Visualize. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Everybody close your eyes. Listen. Close your eyes. Listen. Okay? If you're living in a geographic isolated area, Ganito kasi sa lugar, pwede ka pamuwi ka sa lugar na layo-layo. Okay? Bublay ka doon. And you will travel and navigate the northern part of the earth. Sa north ka makadto. Okay? Now, which constellation or star will you look kung sa north ka makadto? Imagine mo, layo yung lugar, tapos, hindi mo tultulan, wala ka mo kabalo, nagkadto ka mo sa isa ka lugar. Nagkadtuan ninyo, kakadto sa north. Ano nga star ang inyo nga nagpawon? Ha? Oh, open your eyes. Yes. Ano nga star to? Makadto ito? Okay, sa Ursa Minor dato na nagpawon or ang Polaris because Polaris is the northern star. Di ba? Sa bando, northern star. And ang Labaw. Correct? Now, this one. What do you mean when you say constellation? What do you mean when you say constellation? Ano magaba ang constellation? Ang balaki na? Nag-form siya sa stars or patterns. Correct. It forms patterns of stars. And that is constellation. Okay? Now, I want you to spell the word constellations. Who wants to spell the word constellation? Be, para may ka-English na, di be? Sige, be. Ano yan? Stand. Correct. So we will spell constellation as constellations. Correct. Napakalato si Chandria, eh? Thank you very much, Chandria. Now, how many constellations were discovered by IAU? Yes? Correct. There were 88 constellations. Okay? What is the meaning of IAU? IAU. International Astronomical Union. Correct. Palapakan na sila ng dua. Okay, it's International Astronomical Union. Now, what are the known constellations that we have discussed? Ano ba? Give me one. We have Ursa Major, Ursa Minor, that's Cassiopeia, yes, Orion, and Cepheus. Okay. Now, please take out your 1/4 or anything, notebook, smart paper. We're going to answer this one. Here's the instruction. Read and understand the question carefully. Write the answer on your paper. Ready? Number 1. It is observed in the sky of the northern hemisphere, which means Big Dipper. Big Dipper. Huh? Big Dipper. Number 2. We have, it consists of 5 stars that form letter W. W. Form the W. Tama na? Next, number 3. A constellation is visible to January to March, and it is characterized by the hunter. Hunter. Doon naman yung mag-inabay ko. Hunter. Diba? Number 3. What constellation formed Little Dipper? Little Dipper. And last but not the least, constellation that is described as the King constellation. Hari. Raise your pen if you're finished. Raise your pen. Asa ang pen? Ang pen. Tapos na mula. Sige. Right, let's answer. Exchange. Answer number 1. It is observed in the northern hemisphere and Big Dipper ang iyang tawag siya. Yes, that's Ursa Major, letter C. Okay. Number 2. Number 2 consists of 5 stars that form letter W. Cassiopeia, that's letter C. Number 3. A constellation is visible in January and is known as the Hunter. Yes, please. Alright. Known as the Hunter, it's Orion. Correct on the ano ba? What constellation form a little deeper? Yes, please. Little Dipper, that's Ursa Minor, and letter D, and last is King constellation. Yes, Intonation is Cyprus and that is letter A. Oh, who got 5? Anes, ha? Anes, gusto ko 5.